Are we okay?
Dude, I missed it!
I didn't.
Oh. I can't move.
You want to watch it?
Yeah,
again?
I do. I want to watch it. There's a fender.
Do you have anything to say about that?
I lost my heart.
Well, it's a good thing.